ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms ho pho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Ka jingyalang kekinhon menteri jong ke Sorkar Jilla ha ka arpu paratrik ukalalang kot arzar arpuway. Kala shimyi karai ban ajing menjur na ka benta ban kot Pynlong no ya ke election sha ka yingdor bar thaan jong ka Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council ha ka khandai Tarik Ïaïong arzar arpuway hadin ba ka samoy trekam ka basan snem jong ka council kala kudno dangshen. Yakanila penbenada usembut menteri rangba jong ke Sorkar Jilla ubak Preston Tensong habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor hadin balawai ka jingyalang jong ke kenhon menteri.
Publication of draft electoral roll. Publication of draft electoral roll will be on the 4th February 2021. Draft electoral roll publication will be on the 4th February 2021. Last date for filing claims and objections will be on the 18th February 2021. Disposal of claims and objections will be on the 1st March 2021. Then, notification for calling the constituencies to elect their representative will be on the 8th March 2021. Means the notification for election to the general election to the Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council will be on the 8th March 2021. And let me repeat, from that day, from 8th March 2021, the moment notification comes out, Model Code of Conduct will be in place. The Model Code of Conduct will be in place from the 8th March 2021 to the entire Ghadc Hills District Council area. Filing nomination will be on the 15th March 2021. Date of scrutiny of nomination papers will be on the 15/3/21 at 3 p.m. Last date for withdrawal of nomination papers will be on the 19th March 2021. Finalization and publication of valid nomination and allocation of symbol will be on the 22nd March 2021. Date of poll 9 April 2021 from 7 a.m. in the morning up to 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and date of counting will be on the 14th April 2021. Again, Cabinet has already approved the proposal for meeting all those expenditures, but these expenditures will be in the form of advance, okay, you write properly, advance payment against the royalty, against the shares of the district council, and this will be adjusted. Again, the Cabinet has already asked the respective deputy commissioners to again revisit the detailed expenditure, because it seems it was little in the higher side. But more or less, I should just say, more or less, though I will not be able to tell you exactly what is the amount, but more or less maybe about 50 crores is required. About 15 crores is required. there are so many SOPs to be issued by the health by the health department.
Kiway pat kirai ki bagakanhon menteri kalashim kilong halor ka jing ai jing menjur halor ka draft Meghalaya electric vehicle policy arjar arpo ban penkiu ya ka dor by wai kali bat ban the shushu ya ki GI pipes ne ki shlem D pipe khnang ban pentelun ya ka jing pentrai kam ya ka scheme Jal Jeevan mission.
Revision of tax relating to booking of fancy number. Fancy number means those the registration number plate we call it. So Transport Department has proposed few enhancement. Let me tell you now, and ultimately even the cabinet has accorded approval. Number one is those fancy numbers wanted by anyone like ML0001, because they used to have their own their own special ending number. The existing rate was 30,000 rupees, but now we enhance it to 1 lakh rupees. Then ML002 ending 2, again from 30,000 to 50,000, and then 03 again from 30,000 to 50,000, 07 from 30,000 to 70,000, 09 from 30,000 to 50,000, 786 20 to 70,000, and 1111 from 15,000 to 50,000. And again we used to also have a special rate of jumping number, again that one also from 3,000 to 5,000. With this decision taken by the cabinet, the increase in collection of revenue will be not less than 7 crore rupees annually. 7 crore rupees annually. Okay. The cabinet is pleased to approve the draft policy on Meghalaya electric vehicle, and this will be taken effective from 1st April 2021, means immediately after the current financial year, means in the next financial year 21-22. And this policy will be posted in website, and also you will get a copy from the concerned department where you can go all the details. Procurement of GI pipes under Jal Jeevan mission. See, what happened was all these years PHE they used to procure GI pipe directly from the NE zone manufacturing unit located in our state, located at Birmingham. So in view of the increase in demand of pipes due to the implementation of Jal Jeevan mission, this very manufacturing unit supply capacity is lesser than the demand capacity. So therefore ultimately the cabinet has approved the proposal of the PHE department to meet up those shortfall where the manufacturing unit located at Birmingham, because they cannot supply the entire quantity of pipes. So therefore we allow PHE department to also procure these GI pipes from other manufacturing units to meet the challenges of supply shortage.